Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. I have another special unboxing for you, and you may have seen a Tiffany one, so I think you have a pretty good idea what this is. This just came today on Friday, which is the official day of Mid-Autumn Festival. It's a full moon today. So in here is a card, which is from this is from the Paris store, the Saint-Honoré flagship store. And it has this cool card in there that looks like one of their really old trunks that has the locks on it as well, which is used to house the trunk together. And it just has a personal message to me from the team that's inside of it. So this is the box that it comes in, and you can kind of see here the bottom is curved, which is one of their signature elements, as well as some of their hardware designs. And these are two flaps, which I think are really cool because they open like this. So no surprise, these are mooncakes. So there are two on each side. And then the rest of the box is just pretty plain. So that's the bottom. Like I was saying, you can see the curve. But there is one more special thing with this. And it happens when you take out the mooncakes. So I think you can see a little bit already. So the bottom of the box actually lights up, and you see there's an illustration of the phase of the moon. This is a waxing crescent, I think. That's a half moon. And what I found was that it's photosensitive. So when it sees light, it lights up. So when you actually close the box, it will turn off by itself. The only thing is you can't use it to light up a dark room, because then it's going to turn off. So you can see when I covered the photo sensor, it turns off. I think seeing this, you probably have a good idea of what is on this side. So same thing. And these are the same size as the Tiffany ones, but I think these they're definitely made by a different vendor, because this, you can see they're a lot more oily, which I know is not as healthy, but if you're eating mooncakes, you probably want them to be oily. And then here is the other side. You have I forget what this phase is called. Maybe this is called waxing crescent, but this, of course, is the full moon. So you can't really see all four of them at once because of the way the cover is designed. But it's just cool that you can do that, and it will reserve battery when you close it. Obviously, the batteries, these aren't going to be replaceable, but this box, I think itself is really cool. And I think you can probably store stuff in here as well, like trinkets or maybe even some jewelry pieces. You can line the bottom. And it's actually really similar size to my mini Limousine 20. As you can see, they both have the curved bottom. The mini Limousine is not as deep, and I think it's not exact, or actually it's almost the same exact height. So this box is actually a pretty good representation of the mini Limousine 20, because they both also have, you can see here, the curve on the bottom. The curve on the actual trunk is more severe though than on this paper box. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't checked out the Tiffany one, I also have that up on my channel, and you can see what their Mid-Autumn Festival gift was this year. You can click on my link, I think on my name, and then you can see my other videos. And subscribe for more videos. Check out my Instagram page for the latest updates and exclusive content. And I hope to see you in my next video.